Hello everyone. Today's date is 3 December 2021. I am Amal Ankush Wagmode. Today I have discussed topic of methods in Java. In methods in Java, method is a way to perform some task. Similarly, the methods in Java is a collection of instructions that performs a specific task. It provides the reusability of code specific task. We can also easily modify code using methods. In this section, we learn what is methods in Java, types of methods, methods declaration, and how to call the methods. First one, what is methods in Java? A method is a block of code or collection of statements or set of code grouped together to perform a certain task or operation. It is used to achieve reusability of code. We can write method once and use many times. We do not require write code again and again. It also provides the easy modification and readability of code. Just by adding or removing a chunk of code, the method is executed by only when call invoked it. And then the most important method in Java is main method. If you want read more about the main method, go through the method declarations. The method declaration provides information about method attributes such as visibility, return type, name, and argument. It has six components that are known as method header. We as we shown in followings. First one, method signature. Every method has a method signature. It is a part of method declaration. It includes the method name and parameter list. Second, access specifier. Access specifier or modifier is the access type of the method. It specifies visibility of the method. Java provides four type of access modifier. First one is public. The method is accessible by all classes when use public specifier in our application. Second, private. When we use private access specifier, the method is accessible only the classes uh, which is defined. Third one, protected. When we use protected access specifier, the method is accessible when same package or subclass in different package. Then fourth one, default. When we do not use any access specifier in method declaration, Java uses default access specifier by default. It is visible only from same package only. Then a return type method. Return type is a data type that method returns. It may have a primitive data type, object collection void. If method does not return anything, we use void keyword. Then method name. It is unique name that is used to define the name of a method. It must corresponding to functionality of the method. Suppose we are creating the method for subtraction of two numbers. The method name has subtraction. A method involved by its name. Then parameter list. It is a list of parameter separated by comma and includes the in pair of parent this. It contains the data type and its variable name. If method has no parameter, left parent is blank. Then method body. It is a part of method declaration. It contains all the action to be performed. It is enclosed within the pair of curly braces. Thank you.